Welcome to Donchian Channel Forex Trading. Hi, this is Michael. We've changed the format of the daily review a bit. In Section 1, we'll discuss today's results. In Section 2, we'll present some of the background for our analysis. Before we get started, please take a moment to review our disclaimer. Please also remember that we don't recommend to buy or sell any financial instruments. Today is Thursday, August 21st, 2014. It's now 2:39 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. The U.S. equity markets were up again today. The S&P closed up. A new all-time high was tagged again today, but price closed back below it. We remain in the long-term uptrend channel. Resistance is at 1992, and this is the 127% Fibonacci extension level. Support is at 1891 as seen by the green oval. The NASDAQ also closed up, and it hit another new near-time high. Price remains in our medium-term uptrend channel. The next target is the 223% Fibonacci extension level at 4148. Support is at 3737. The US dollar had a down day today. Resistance is at 21.96. And if this is broken, our next resistance level will be 22.34. Support is at 21.24 as seen by the green oval. Here's the ADX analysis chart for Thursday, August 21st. Please compare this with the results of your analysis. From the ADX analysis and our strength calculator, we have the following currency strengths. There's one strong currency and one weak currency. The qualified pair is the pound US dollar. This is our trade summary chart for August. For open trades, the Euro-US dollar trade remains open, and we're short 2 micros. Target number 2 is 1.2746, and our stop loss is now at 1.3312. No new orders were placed today because they would be complementary pairs. Let's first review the price chart for our open trade on the Euro-US dollar. As you can see, we're still short 2 micros. Target number 2 is 1.2746, and our stop loss is at 1.3312. There is one qualified pair today, and that's the pound US dollar. A couple of weeks ago, the price broke through the bottom of this long-term uptrend channel. This would be a bearish trade. Let's now look at the price charts for some of the more popular Forex pairs to trade. Here's the Aussie US dollar. Though the US dollar has been very strong the last week or two, we see that the Aussie US dollar is still channeling sideways. Another pair is the Euro Aussie dollar. This has been in a long-term downtrend channel, and it looks like it might be setting up for a bearish trade. Here's the pound yen. This pair continues to move in a sideways pattern. The last pair we'll look at is the US dollar yen. It had been in a long-term downtrend channel and a little over a week ago broke out. This would be a bullish trade. Thank you for watching my daily Forex trend review. If you'd like further details about our analysis in Section 1, please continue listening to Section 2, which follows. For more detail on the trading strategy, please go to DonchianTrader.com. There you can request a free trading guide. My podcasts are on iTunes. Recently posted is Treat Your Trading Like a Business, Trading Psychology. Please check them out and subscribe. The iTunes link is listed at the bottom of this page. Please continue listening for Section 2. In Section 2, we'll go into a little bit more detail behind our analysis. We'll be talking about 1. The time of day to do the daily review. 2. Review of the 2 indexes. 3. Background on the ADX indicator. 4. Determining the strength of the 8 currencies. And 5. Selecting the potential pairs to trade. The Forex trading week begins at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Sunday and ends at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Friday. So during the week, the Forex trading day ends at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We wait until after 5 p.m. to do our daily review. This is because the daily bar has closed on the price chart and the indicators are all up to date. The first things we'll look at in the daily review are two indexes. The first is on the S&P 500. We'll use the E-mini S&P 500 index futures. Here's the price chart. The S&P 500 is usually a good indicator of where all of the other markets are going. The second index we'll monitor is for the strength of the US dollar. We use the PowerShares US dollar index to do this. This is important because the dollar's strength can give us an indication of which direction the US dollar Forex pairs will move. The first step every day in reviewing the Forex market is to analyze the ADX indicator for each of the 28 Forex pairs that we monitor. The ADX indicator can be red or green. If the ADX is red, it means there isn't a trend, so we'll put a 0. If the ADX is green and the price is increasing, we'll put a +1. If the ADX is green and the price is decreasing, we'll put a -1. What we do is we take the results from the ADX analysis and we plug it into our strength analyzer. This strength analyzer will give us the strength for each of the 8 currencies. From the strength analyzer, we put the results in this table. Today on Sunday, we had 1 strong currency and 1 weak currency. We're only going to use strong currencies between +3 and +7 and weak currencies between -3 and -7. Our objective is to match the strongest currencies with the weakest currencies so that we can find the highest probability Forex pairs to trade. Today we had 1 potential pair to trade, and this is the Aussie US dollar. And this would be going long or buying the Forex pair. I hope this helps you to get a better understanding of what we were doing in section 1.